Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to refund a game on Steam. To qualify for a refund, you must meet these two basic conditions. The game was purchased within the last 14 days and you have less than 2 hours of playtime on the game. Open a browser and go to help.steampower.com. Log in with your Steam account if you haven't already. Under Recent Products, click the game you want to refund. If you don't see it, click Purchases, view Complete Purchasing History to find the game or item. Now click View Receipt for the game and click I would like a refund. Then select I'd like to request a refund. Select how you'd like to receive the refund, your original payment method or refund to your Steam wallet. You'll receive a confirmation email with the reference number. Steam will notify you via email once your refund is approved or denied. If approved, funds usually return within 7 days for most payment methods or instantly for Steam Wallet. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.